Hunter,
Yep.
tell us about your book, available on Amazon, Expat Health Guide.
Oh, well, I wrote the Expat Health Guide. I've been answering questions on Facebook forums and groups and in person at events. And I decided, you know what, it's time for me to do a brain dump. So the Expat Health Guide, we have a lot of Americans coming to Panama, and they have trouble navigating the system. And the other thing that freaks them out is when their doctor hands them their business card along with their cell phone number. Now, yeah, just contact me on WhatsApp. You know, they're what? Wait, I have access. I can call you? Yeah, sure, call me. I may not be able to answer the phone right away, but I'll get back to you. That never happens up north, or very rarely.
Yeah.
The system doesn't enable it, right? But they come from a system where the first question they ask when they get down here is, I got to get my healthcare right. I need good health insurance. Where's the best health insurance? Well, you know, wait a minute. Stop. You know, when you go buy a car, you what do you do? How do you do it? Oh, well, I go buy the car. I mean, first I look at, you know, the car I need. Does it have ABS brakes? I need an SUV. Oh, you've got benchmarks in your head about what you need. Amazing. And then what do?
Then you buy insurance for it.
Yes.
That's a great point. I like that.
How do you know you have a great car?
The first question should be, who's a good doctor?
Yeah.
Right.
The way I illustrate the point is, how do you know you have a great car? Well, I have great car insurance. Said no one ever.
Right. That's a great analogy. I love it, Hunter.
How do you know you have great health care? Well, I have a great health plan at work.
Yeah, right.
Coverage is the key. So I wrote the Expat Health Guide to educate people on what to look for. You need the benchmarks. And I use direct primary care. That's the benchmark, right? The attributes of access and privacy and the focal point for care. Those are the things that I explain in the book. So no matter where you go, this isn't Panama-centric. And I include expats to the US, which means Americans.
Right.
So it's designed to give, I wrote it so I can save a lot of time, my time. I just read the book. It's $8.
Right.
It'll save you money. It'll save me time. Yeah, it'll make me money, but you know, you'll buy me a cup of coffee.
Right.
So it is the brain dump of what is great care and how do you get it? What do you look for? I have a chapter on the personalization of medicine and also on privacy. And I cover a lot of the topics that we've spoken here today.